Okay, can you guys like?
We're watching.
Nope.
We're watching.
I
Christy
gathered
plays.
you guys here today for a video. You guys don't know
We're
what it
watching
is.
Toasty.
Get on the couch. Okay, what we're doing? We
Do you have some
having.
Doritos?
We are having a sleepover in Animal Company. So, what should we do first?
Play on our iPads and play Roblox together.
No. I'm recording this
play
on my phone.
Roblox.
I can't play Roblox.
I want to play Roblox. Ooh, iPad. A better iPad.
But stop duping for once. Oh my god. He's just gonna be doing that the whole entire sleep.
Moonbeam ice cream,
Taking off your blue jeans.
Yeah.
Oh, I can hear you now. Yeah.
You like
Did
my
you hear
triple
what we were
monitor?
doing?
And you ain't
Did you
got
hear
a
what we
triple
were doing?
monitor. I got a triple monitor.
Did you hear what we were doing?
I could dupe those, bro. What? I could hear you now, yes.
Okay, did you hear what we were
sleeping.
doing?
No, I didn't hear what you guys were doing.
Okay,
I could
we
take this bag.
are having a sleepover in Animal Company.
Alright, there.
Hey guys, wait, I actually need to go eat some dinner. So, let's resume this. Yeah, I'll put in the group chat when, okay? So probably like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, probably, okay?
How much do these sell for?
Okay, so you guys can dupe while I go eat, okay? I'll be right back. Okay. Because
Does it feel so
my friends
magical?
we brought my tracking because I'm in the sun. We brought Barack Obama. W. He doesn't know what we're doing. Brock. We are having a sleepover in Animal Company.
Oh,
So what shall we do first, gentlemen?
monkey.
What would we do at a sleepover?
Play games.
Yeah, but what kind of games?
Football. Red light, green light.
Oh yeah, we could do red light, green light.
Or this
Football.
game. This game.
Wait a second. Wait, I can't risk it.
Yeah, we could play this.
Yeah, we're gonna do red light, green light.
Not
I'm the
football.
cop. Guy thing. Have you guys seen the new trailer? They dropped out the new trailer like yesterday.
Wait, what trailer? For what?
Squid Game Season 3. Ah! Yeah. Green light.
Is it just me?
Red light. What the flip?
Yo, he's just teleporting.
You're dead. What?
Dude,
No.
I found some cheese in your cupboard. It might be expired.
Oh.
I'm just so hungry.
Okay,
You have no
guys.
other food.
I think it is time.
Oh, that did too.
I'm gonna get nighttime mode. Hold on,
The
stand
flip?
still. I gotta
Why are
go
you so
in.
small?
I gotta go in. Hold, stand still.
What the flip?
Cave diver.
Okay, everyone, get together. We are going to go to sleep.
Ugh, he farted.
Okay.
God,
Where's your pillow?
bed.
You need a pillow.
Yeah, give me a pillow. Go give me a pillow.
I don't have a pillow. This mom.
Give me that
Turn
one.
Nighttime mode. I turned on
Go to bed,
nighttime
Brock.
mode.
I turned on nighttime mode.
Okay, guys, let's go.
Yeah, let's turn my night lights on.
Go to bed. Connor. What is Brock doing? I know he's doing something.
Stop farting! I can't sleep.
Can you But what the
Stop farting!
Bro, no, wait.
I do. Went to sleep.
I forgot to brush my teeth. Brock. Brushing teeth in the Big 25.
6, 7,
Stop counting sheep.
8, 9, 10,
Brock.
11,
Bruh.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
Okay, guys, actually.
Brock.
I'm kidding.
Jesus.
Go to sleep!
I'm gonna prank them a little bit. I'm gonna bring angler fish over to them. It's gonna be crazy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so where is angler? Oh. Just need to spot angler. Come on, angler. Wait. Bro. Who was that? Brock. Bruh.
Go to sleep or you're kicked out the video.
Yeah.